Today we'll be talking about the Cobra Torque. The Cobra Torque is a wedge bolt manufactured by Cobra Anchors right here in the USA. It is a unibody design which makes it very easy to use. You simply drill and then drive. The strength coming from its threads means that it's also usable closer together as well as closer to the edge of concrete. The head is stamped with the appropriate size for certification verifications, and it also boasts an ICC certification. It's available in zinc plated as well as select sizes of galvanized. It is also 100% removable, which means once it's installed, we can remove it and there's no part of the bolt that's left in the concrete, the brick, or the cinder block.